na milioni 338.
Superintendent wa Kagadi Hospital nagira ngo sente niziza gukora umurimo murungi okusya obuheereza abanya-Uganda bwanyuma yo kongezwa n'obucweka 20 harigana.
We believe this amount of money is enough. It will do good work on ground and will improve service delivery for our clients.
Yosiyandi Bwami ori mukuru w'entebe ya katana habwa district ya Kagadi kandi okurira akakiko ka center irwariro nagira ngo irwariro twirege n'ebizubunke by'amashanyarazi amizo kubura hamwe no mbaro muke gw'abashaho.
Central government that for years this facility has been underfunded, but currently there was an improvement for the last 1 to 2 years in terms of central government releases for both two categories as indicated clearly in our budget. So my humble call is that let us serve this facility diligently and honestly so that we cause some changes and some impact.
Abashahirwa reri bagambire mukuru w'akakiko akebizube barukurabamo babana bahereza abantu.
We have a small space whereby ideally these babies are supposed to be separated. Those delivered from here and those from home, they're supposed to be put aside from another department, but we find mixing them here. That's a very big challenge also.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.